Your vegetables, your fruits, and your legumes are trying to kill you because you're a predator. It's their nature, it's evolution. If we haven't met before, hi, Nico here, and we're going to be roasting these beautiful red peppers. 2 fingers just right inside. This is the poison. Gotta get rid of that, don't eat it. You can see all my red peppers are in the air fryer. Coat them in a little avocado oil. So we're taking the red peppers on the long walk. And I'm gonna turn up the time to 20 minutes because at the 20-minute mark, I'm gonna turn them over and then we're just gonna let it go. Oh my gosh. Look at how amazing those came out, huh? So I am going to lay them skin side up. That's very important inside this glass. So we're just gonna let that sit for a while. Just are at a temperature where we can start playing. And what we want to do now, I have this plate here to catch, ever so gently peel them off. The fleshy part underneath the skin, it's so soft and silky. I'm just gonna keep peeling away here. See, look how easy the skins come off. Think of this as like your chance to meditate and do something that's gonna have an end product that you can share with people. It brings so much happiness to people. Ooh, ah. You have a couple of different options on how you want to proceed with the red peppers. Smoked paprika, am I right? I like to put in way more smoked paprika than you think you need. So I like to put in a lot of thyme, a lot of garlic. It's got all the built-in sweetness from the red peppers, and red peppers are incredibly high in vitamin C, which is good. So I'm going to put all these cadoodles back of cayenne pepper just to give it a little bit of a kick. Don't tell anybody. Just a little. The metabolic super booster helps maintain your glucose levels, and I'm all about that. So I'm going to put in lots of cinnamon with this. Give everything a little mush. It's really good. Now I'm going to put in the bay leaves. You know, I'm going to throw in a star anise. They're just so pretty. I don't know, I feel like that'll just add something to it. Let's go to the liquids. Cider vinegar is so good for your gut. Thrive Market brand. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Ah! All right. I've got some organic lemon juice. 1, 2, 3. Balsamic, because it's sweet. Just a little bit. I'd call that a 1, 2. So when I did ombre on my microbiome, they said for me to avoid olive oil. It doesn't smell like anything, so I'm just going to use the sunflower seed oil instead of olive oil. Black pepper, black cumin. This is what I've got left, so I'm going to add it all. I love cumin. Get a good look at that. And the longer you let it sit, the better it gets. So I'm going to just put a little bit of water in here. Just enough so that I make sure everything is covered. Look at these beautiful roasted red peppers. Having been marinating for a week, it's got that smoky sweet flavor from the red peppers and the spices. Just look at her. Almost the texture of a human tongue.